Yes, be ready. Start. It is my privilege this evening to greet you, all my fellow citizens at home and abroad, on the 30th anniversary of our independence and to convey to you my good wishes. Stop. It will be my endeavor as the first servant of the people to exert myself to the utmost for the service of our people and our country. Stop. I hope to return in some humble way the affection and regard I have enjoyed from all sections of society for 45 years of my political life. Stop. New para. 30 years have gone past since we become free. Stop. The events of the recent past have proved the maturity of thought, confirmed our belief in the democratic way of life. Stop. Today we can hold our heads high as the world's largest democracy. Stop. This by itself is not enough, and if the democratic way of life is to last, we must look inwards and examine our thoughts and actions. Stop. The democratic way of life must result in a rapport between the mass of our people, particularly those living in the rural areas, our political mentors and the administration. Stop. Life for our long suffering people, many of whom live well below the subsistence level, can have no hope unless it has substantial inbuilt economic and social substance. Stop. Only then can we mobilize our enormous human resources to actively participate in the task of nation building. Stop. New para. We have in these last 30 years experienced success and failure, happiness and sorrow. Stop. We have yet to end poverty, ignorance and disease and inequality of opportunity. Stop. The ambition of the greatest man of our times, Mahatma Gandhi, was to wipe tear from every eye. Stop. Our work will not be complete until this noble objective has been achieved. New para. India lives in the villages, and these simple folk are our richest heritage. Stop. The 5-year plans for socio-economic development have no doubt yielded some result, but has their impact been substantial? Question mark. Have the benefits of planned development percolated to the remote village and the weaker sections of society? Question mark. Until I assumed the office of President of India, I was a Kisan working in the fields in sun and rain. Stop. I know at first hand the difficulties which millions of our countrymen face even in obtaining the basic necessities of life like drinking water, facilities for education and health. Stop. Over.